કોઈએ કહેલું છે કે હારવાના ડર કરતાં જો જીતવાની મહત્વાકાંક્ષા વધારે હશે ને તો સફળતા તમારા હાથમાં હશે. તો આ જ મોટિવેશનને આગળ લઈને ચાલુ કરીએ ચેપ્ટર નંબર 2, 1 માર્ક ક્વેશ્ચન. The name of chapter is polynomial. Chapter number 2, first question. We are discussing 1 mark question. So first question, students. The cubic polynomial is given p of x. Cubic polynomial p of x equal to x cube minus x is there. Find the zeros of this polynomial. Cubic polynomial x cube minus x is there. So we know that different types of polynomials based on their degree. Done. So if degree of polynomial is 1, it's a linear polynomial. So if degree is 1, maximum number of zeros are 1. For quadratic polynomial, degree is 2, so maximum number of zeros are 2. For cubic polynomial, here degree is 3 and here maximum number of zeros are 3. So let's try to find the zero. So we know that to find the zero, what we are doing? Directly we can write 4 zeros. For zeros, we are taking p of x equal to 0. The value of polynomial becomes 0. The value of that x is known as 0 of the polynomial. ये हमने सब कुछ इंट्रोडक्शन में स्टडी किया हुआ है. So here p of x is x cube minus x. This is equal to 0. So now here we can take x common. So if we are taking x common, it will be x square minus 1 equal to 0. So again we can take x square minus 1 as a x minus 1 x plus 1 equal to 0. Done. So here product of these three term is 0. अगर तीन टर्म का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 0 है तो उसमें से कोई एक टर्म या फिर दो टर्म या फिर तीनों टर्म 0 होगी. कौन सी टर्म 0 है पता नहीं है. So that will give us value of 0. So x will be 0, x minus 1 is 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. So here our zeros are x equal to 0, x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1. 3 zeros of this cubic polynomial. Clear, students? So this is how we can find the zeros of any given quadratic polynomial. जो भी polynomial given होगा उसके equal to 0 लेना है and x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. Now next question, that is question number 2. Second question. So here we are given one polynomial p of x. Polynomial p of x equal to 3x square plus 5x minus 2 is 0. Minus 2 is given. Find the sum of zeros. What do you have to find? You have to find the sum of zeros. So what is the value of sum of zeros? So we know the formula to find the sum of zeros and product of zeros for this quadratic polynomial, as well as sum of zeros, product of zeros and sum of product of two zeros for cubic polynomial. सारे formula हमारे पास हैं. Now this one is which type of polynomial? This one is one quadratic polynomial. So for this quadratic polynomial we have to find the sum of zeros. So what is the formula? Suppose we are having one quadratic polynomial p of x, which is ax square plus bx plus c. Then sum of zeros, two zeros are there. Then alpha and beta. So sum of zeros is alpha plus beta, and that is equal to minus b by a. And product of zeros, alpha into beta, that is equal to c by a. So for this particular question we have to find sum of zeros. You have to find this sum of zeros. So here on comparison of this given quadratic polynomial with this standard polynomial, we will get the values of this small a, small b and small c, where small a is the coefficient of x square, x, है ना, small b is the coefficient of x and c is constant term. So तीनों की वैल्यू निकलेगी small a, small b and small c. Yes or no? So what is the value of a? A is the coefficient of x square. So value of a is 3. So here value of a is 3. Now b is the coefficient of x. So here coefficient of x is 5. So value of b is 5. C is constant term, so here constant term is -2. So C equal to -2. So A, B and C, all three values are there. So here we can find sum of zeros as well as अगर क्वेश्चन में पूछा है तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस भी फाइंड कर पाएंगे. Done. So now our answer sum of zeros is equal to minus B, that is 5 by A. So A is 3. So sum of zeros is minus 5 by 3. अगर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस पूछा होता C by A, product of zeros is C by A, so our answer will be -2 by 3. Done students? तो आपको ये फॉर्मूला याद रखना है और ये सारे क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में रिपीट होते ही रहते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. The graph of polynomial, one polynomial is given p of x equal to 3x plus 5 where x belongs to real number. So graph of this polynomial represents what? What is the graph? What can we say about this graph? Graph of this polynomial. Done? So the graph of polynomial is based on value of their degree. So here degree of this polynomial is 1. It's a linear polynomial. So graph of this given polynomial, as it is linear polynomial, so it's a straight line. Graph is the straight line. Graph will be straight line. For cubic polynomial, it can be parabola. Done. So that we also discussed in our introduction videos. So here for this polynomial, graph will be a straight line. Now next question number 4. So here given question is the polynomial p of x equal to this one 3x square plus 7x plus 4 is a dash polynomial. What is the type of this polynomial? Simple. So here maximum power of variable x is 2. So this polynomial is a quadratic polynomial. This polynomial is the example of quadratic polynomial because degree of this polynomial is 2. ना here what is the degree? Degree is 2. क्या होती है डिग्री? Maximum power of variable x. Maximum power of variable x of given polynomial is known as degree of that polynomial. तो x का मैक्सिमम पावर यहाँ पर 2, यहाँ पर 1, यहाँ पर x का 0 पावर, मैक्सिमम पावर इज 2, hence it is known as its degree is 2 and that's why it is known as quadratic polynomial. बेसिक क्वेश्चन था. उसके बाद आगे बढ़े, है ना. सिंपल क्वेश्चन आते हैं लेकिन कभी कभी हमें ये मिस कर जाता है कि क्या करना है. सो हियर ये कॉन्सेप्ट हमने स्टडी किया था 9th स्टैंडर्ड में. पोलिनोमियल p ऑफ x इज गिवन विच इज इक्वल टू 4x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 1. सो हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड p ऑफ 1. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ p ऑफ 1? तो p ऑफ 1 का मीनिंग सबको पता होना चाहिए, है ना. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ p ऑफ 1? p ऑफ 1 इज नथिंग बट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस पोलिनोमियल एट x इक्वल टू 1. जहाँ पर भी आपको x नजर आए वहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, 1 पुट करना है. दैट इज नथिंग बट द p ऑफ 1. सो नाउ इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड p ऑफ 1 वी हैव टू पुट x इक्वल टू 1. पुट x इक्वल टू 1. So we are getting p of 1. So it's a 4 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. So this is equal to 4 into 1 cube 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. Hence p of 1 is 10. क्या आएगा स्टूडेंट्स p of 1? p of 1 is equal to 10. डन. तो ये था क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. उसके बाद आगे बढ़ते हैं ना. चलो तो यस हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड, ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. सो ग्राफ ऑफ लीनियर पोलिनोमियल p of x इक्वल टू ax प्लस b वेयर a बिलोंग्स टू r. the graph of this polynomial intersect x-axis in dash. Intersect, what is the intersection of this polynomial? Intersect x-axis at dash. So graph of this polynomial will intersect x-axis at which point? So अगर आपको ये ग्राफ का x एक्सिस के साथ इंटरसेक्शन फाइंड करना है, मतलब है ना, ग्राफ कैसा होगा? स्ट्रेट लाइन. This is x axis and y axis. X axis and y axis. Suppose graph of the given straight line is like this. Done. So here this graph intersect x axis at this point. So whenever the graph intersect x axis, its y coordinate will become 0. That means value, you know, y equal to p of x. Value of polynomial becomes 0 when the graph of the given polynomial intersect x axis. तो यहाँ पर polynomial की value क्या होगी? 0. So we can write at intersection point of this graph with x axis, the value of polynomial, that is y equal to p of x, is 0. So 0 equal to, this one is ax plus b. So what is the value of this x coordinate? So x coordinate will be, b को सामने भेजो माइनस b, a को डिवीजन में भेजो. So x will be minus b by a. X will be minus b by a. So point is y coordinate 0 and x coordinate is minus b by a. So coordinates of point are minus b by a 0. Minus b by a 0. Done. So graph of this linear polynomial will intersect x axis at minus b by a 0. One intersection point आएगा because degree of this polynomial is 1. It's a linear polynomial. Maximum number of zeros are 1. Maximum zeros 1 आएंगे तो intersection point भी एक ही आएगा. Done. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं बच्चों. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चलो इसके बेस पर एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं. सो ग्राफ ऑफ लीनियर पोलिनोमियल p of x, ग्राफ ऑफ द लीनियर पोलिनोमियल p of x इक्वल टू 3x minus 6 intersect x axis at dash point, है ना. वन लीनियर पोलिनोमियल इज गिवन, तो x एक्सिस को कौन से पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करेगा? तो यहाँ पर when the graph is intersecting x axis, its y coordinate is 0. That means value of the polynomial becomes 0. ये 0 आ जाएगा. So we can say 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So x will be 6 by 3 equal to 2. So value of x is 2. X coordinate is 2 and at intersection point y is 0. Y will be 0. Done. So coordinates of point are 2, 0. 2, 0. So our answer is polynomial 3x minus 6 will intersect x axis at 2, 0. इसका आपको डिटेल में आपको कॉन्सेप्ट लेना है तो उसके लिए आपको इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो को रिफर करना पड़ेगा स्टूडेंट्स. डन. उसके बाद ये सारे क्वेश्चन आपको समझ में आ जाएंगे. सो नाउ यू कैन पॉज दिस वीडियो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. So here you have to find the zeros. Find the zeros of polynomial p of x, which is given as 2 plus x minus x square. One polynomial is given, we have to find the zero. So what we have to do? To find zeros, for zeros we are taking given polynomial as a 0. Let's say value of polynomial is 0 and therefore 2 plus x minus x square equal to 0. So here this can be written as x square taking minus sign common, so it's x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0, है ना. सारे टर्म की साइन चेंज कर दी. Now here we can find value of x by performing factorization. Factor of 2 whose subtraction is minus 1, so 2 ones are 2, so it will be x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. First term, second term. So here x is common, it's x minus 2 plus 1 is common, x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore this one is x minus 2 x plus 1 equal to 0, and therefore this one is x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 1. Two possible values of x are there. Then why? Because degree of this polynomial is 2. So it's a quadratic polynomial and maximum 2 zeros are there. Clear friends? So this is how we can find the zeros of given quadratic polynomial. Next question. So here let's talk about the types of the graph of polynomial. We know that if polynomial is linear polynomial ax plus b, so for this linear polynomial graph will be a straight line. Graph will be a straight line. Done. And if the polynomial is quadratic polynomial, p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0 and abc belongs to R. For this quadratic polynomial, if a is greater than 0, then graph will be parabola. Graph will be parabola and open upward direction. Done. And if value of a is less than 0, the graph will be parabola but open downward direction. And if the polynomial is cubic polynomial, p of x equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0, the graph will be like this. Done. These are the different types of graphs. इसके बेस पर भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. So here question number 9 says that the graph of the polynomial, है ना, कहाँ पे लिखूँ? यहाँ पर लिख देता हूँ. ग्राफ ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल p of x इक्वल टू x square plus 6x plus 8. We have to tell what is the graph of this polynomial x square plus 6x plus 8. सबसे पहले डिग्री चेक करो. It's a quadratic polynomial. Now quadratic polynomial having graph parabola, it can be open upward direction or it can be open in downward direction. तो अगर value of this the value of this first term x square is positive, so a is greater than 0, the graph will be parabola and it will be open in upward direction. तो क्या आंसर आएगा? The graph of this polynomial x square plus 6x plus 8 will be parabola and open upward direction. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. So next question is question number 10. Suppose we are given sum of zeros and product of zeros and we have to write the polynomial. तो फॉर्मूला था, उसको याद करने के लिए एक क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं. So here we are given that sum of zeros, we are given sum of zeros of polynomial is -7. Sum of zeros of quadratic polynomial is -7 and product of zeros, we have to write one quadratic polynomial, and product of zeros of that quadratic polynomial is 12. Then we have to write quadratic polynomial. Two types of questions are there. First type of question in which quadratic polynomial is given, जहाँ पर आपको quadratic polynomial given होगा और आपको zeros find करने हैं, है ना. तो quadratic polynomial given था, zeros find करने के लिए quadratic polynomial की वैल्यू 0 ले ली और zeros find किए. और उसके बाद जीरो फाइंड करने के बाद आप सम ऑफ जीरोस एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस नेक्स्ट स्टेप में फाइंड कर सकते हो. उसका रिवर्स, सम ऑफ जीरोस एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस गिवन होंगे और आपको वो क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल फाइंड करनी है. तो उसके लिए हमारे पास फॉर्मूला था. तो सम ऑफ जीरोस को हम लिखते हैं अल्फा प्लस बीटा, उसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हम एस लिखते हैं. सो सम ऑफ जीरोस इज -7. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस मतलब मल्टीप्लीकेशन, उसको हम पी बोलते हैं. तो p is 12. So if sum of zeros and product of zeros are given, we can write our quadratic polynomial by using formula. So quadratic polynomial required quadratic polynomial is is, what is the formula? The formula is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Put the values. Alpha plus beta is nothing but the sum of zeros, and alpha into beta is nothing but the product of zeros. So our answer is x square minus sum of zeros, x square minus into minus 7x plus alpha into beta 12. So this one is x square plus 7x plus 12. Done. तो ये था हमारा सम ऑफ जीरोस एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस. उसके बाद आगे बढ़ते हैं. यस, डिवीजन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल के बेस पर एक क्वेश्चन है, यहाँ पर करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, x square plus 6x polynomial p of x equal to x square plus 6x plus 10, x square plus 6x plus 10. if this polynomial is divided by, है ना, dividend polynomial, divisor polynomial is given g of x. if it is divided by x plus 2, then what is the remainder? we have to find a remainder r of x. रिमाइंडर फाइंड करनी है. तो रिमाइंडर फाइंड करने के लिए हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन, या तो हम लॉन्ग डिवीजन यूज़ कर लें या फिर रिमाइंडर यूज़ कर लें. तो रिमाइंडर थियरम यूज़ कर लें. तो रिमाइंडर थियरम के लिए क्या करना होता है? फॉर रिमाइंडर थियरम वी टू टेक दिस डिविडेंड पोलिनोमियल, सॉरी, वी टू टेक दिस डिवाइजर पोलिनोमियल एज ए 0. so it's x plus 2 equal to 0. so x of value of x will be minus 2. g of x को 0 मानो, x की वैल्यू फाइंड करो. now according to remainder theorem, the remainder is value of this polynomial at value of this x. so value of polynomial at x equal to minus 2. so put x equal to minus 2 in our polynomial. polynomial में पुट करना है. इसकी वैल्यू 0 लेनी है, x की वैल्यू निकालनी है, x की वो वैल्यू p of x में पुट करनी है. that will give us remainder by using remainder theorem. ये हमने स्टडी किया था स्टैंडर्ड 9 में. तो ये स्टैंडर्ड 9 का कॉन्सेप्ट है. तो इट्स माइनस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 6 इंटू माइनस 2 प्लस 10 सिंप्लीफाइड. माइनस 2 स्क्वायर 4, 4 प्लस 10 14 माइनस 6 2 जा 12. सो आंसर विल बी 2. सो द रिमाइंडर ऑफ दिस पोलिनोमियल, है ना, व्हेन dividend polynomial is x square plus 6x plus 10 and divisor polynomial is x plus 2, remainder will be 2. क्लियर? इसमें एक दूसरा वेरिएंट भी आ सकता है. वहाँ पर आपको पूछेंगे कि आप क्वोशिएंट पोलिनोमियल फाइंड करो. तो क्वोशिएंट पोलिनोमियल के लिए आपको सिंथेटिक डिवीजन या फिर लॉन्ग डिवीजन वाली प्रोसेस है वो अप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी. डन स्टूडेंट्स? सो नाउ अगेन यू कैन पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड नोट इट डाउन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. 12th question. Here the zeros of quadratic polynomial are alpha and beta, and given quadratic polynomial is p of x equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, and zeros of this quadratic polynomial are alpha and beta, then find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Very good questions are there, है ना. This type of questions are regularly repeated in our board examination. So polynomial is given and its zeros are alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Find the value of 1 upon alpha and 1 upon beta. तो इसको कैसे solve करते हैं देखो. So now first we write down given polynomial. So given polynomial is p of x, which is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Now what is the standard form of quadratic polynomial, which is ax square plus bx plus c. So on comparison what we are getting? On comparison we are getting a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 2. c equal to 2. Now we know the formula for sum of zeros and product of zeros. So for this polynomial, if alpha and beta are zeros, then its sum of 0 is alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a. So what is the alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. So alpha plus beta is minus minus plus 3. Sum of 0 will be alpha plus beta. Done? Now we can write product of zeros, alpha into beta, which is c by a. So c by a is nothing but the 2 by 1. So alpha into beta is 2. So now what we have to find? We have to find 1 upon alpha, value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. So here, what is the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta? So here, take cross multiplication. It's alpha plus beta upon alpha into beta. So alpha plus beta is 3 and alpha into beta is 2. So our answer is the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is 3 by 2. Done? यूज करना है सम ऑफ जीरोस एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस का, विल गेट द वैल्यूज. चलो एक और सम ट्राई करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 number. So here one cubic polynomial p of x is given. Cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Standard form is given where a is not equal to 0. And for cubic polynomial, 3 zeros are there, alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha, beta and gamma are zeros. Find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta plus 1 upon gamma. Find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta plus 1 upon gamma. So here simple one. So to find the value of this alpha, 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta plus 1 upon gamma, we are taking alpha, beta, gamma as a LCM. So here numerator will be beta gamma plus beta के लिए alpha gamma plus gamma के लिए alpha beta. So here what is this? This is for cubic polynomial, sum of product of two zeros taken at a time and product of zeros. So can we write formula? Sum of zeros, है ना, 3 formulas are there. Sum of zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. उसके बाद अल्फा बीटा प्लस बीटा गामा गामा अल्फा, that is equal to c by a, and product of zeros alpha into beta into gamma equal to minus d by a. So here this formula c by a upon alpha beta gamma minus d by a. So our answer will be minus c by d. A will be cut. So answer will be minus c by d. Done? Very good question. उसके बाद आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Question number 14. So here again this cubic polynomial is given, and for this cubic polynomial we have to find, instead of this one we have to find the value of alpha square beta gamma plus alpha beta square gamma plus alpha beta gamma square. Find the value of this one. For this given cubic polynomial, if alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros, then find the value of this one, this expression. तो कैसे करेंगे देखो. So here we can take alpha, beta, gamma as a common. Take alpha, beta, gamma common. Remaining terms are alpha plus beta plus gamma. So alpha into beta into gamma, alpha into beta into gamma, product of zeros. This is equal to minus d by a, and this one sum of zeros, it's a minus b by a. So value of this expression is nothing but the minus minus plus, it's a bd upon a square. bd upon a square. Done students? Now last question, that is question number 15. चलो एक और अच्छा क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. So here p of x, value of polynomial p of x is 3x square minus x minus 4. Quadratic polynomial is there and zeros are alpha and beta. Find the value of alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. Find the value of this one. So here again compare this polynomial with standard form, which is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So we are getting the value of a is 3, b equal to -1 and c equal to -4. These are the values of small a, b and c. Now we require value of which one? Alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. So alpha beta common, so it's alpha plus beta. So what is alpha beta? Here कहाँ था? Here product of zeros. And what is alpha plus beta? Sum of zeros. So product of zero is nothing but the c by a, and sum of zeros is nothing but the minus b by a. So put the values. C by a minus 4 by 3 and minus b by a minus b minus 1 a 3. Done. So this is equal to minus 4 by 9. Minus 4 by 9 is the answer. Clear students? तो ये सारे थे चैप्टर नंबर 2 के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट 1 मार्क क्वेश्चंस. इसको नोट डाउन करो और इसकी अच्छी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करो. क्लियर फ्रेंड्स? सो नाउ यू कैन पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड नोट इट डाउन.